Hello everyone, welcome to Josessito's channel. We're gonna make a creative word map. Let's get started. And this time we need a sketchbook or a fine cardboard, a word map print, acrylic paintings that you like. I'm gonna use these colors. We're gonna need a gilette or a cutter, pieces of cotton and scotch tape. First step, we have to fix the pictures with scotch tape to get easy to work. Like next step, we have to cut all the map outline, and this way, it could be the most difficult part of the work. Just be patient. And now we have to choose some colors that we want in this part and get ready some pieces of cotton. After, we have to stain a little of parts with the color as you want, mixing different colors. I start with red and we make it in this way. Constantly we make it. Don't be afraid, cause all the combinations are perfect. After having done all this first part, we do the same with all the map, always trying to mix different kind of colors, try to have fun. You will see the results as soon as you think. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After all, when the painting is dried, we have to get out carefully the paper and we will see our beautiful result. You can put it on your wall or whenever you want. I hope you like it and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.